Finish the coat with only 1 cup. You are going to want to make this recipe every day. In a mug, add 200 ml of milk, 5 tablespoons of chocolate powder, and now mix everything very well. Then add 400 grams of milk cream, and remix it. Add 100 grams of dark chocolate and mix until it starts to boil. This is the ideal point, and look how amazing it is. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Now you just move to a glass or a mug of your choice and serve yourself. This hot chocolate in the morning with this cold, there is nothing better than this. If you want, you can also add some cinnamon. The amount is to your liking. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.